Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2020 Merhow 8311 RWS. This is probably one of my most favorite layouts. We don't actually make this layout anymore. We do have a variation of it, but this is a next gen. So back then we called them next gens, and that is the Summit today. So it's an all real wood interior. This trailer is 7'6" tall, 8 wide. It is pewter in color. Let me kind of show you a few things about it. So it does have a stainless nose. It does have a hydraulic jack, jiffy jack, 2 propane tanks, 2 battery boxes. This trailer has been kept up in excellent shape. Sorry, I had someone pull in the parking lot. It has been kept in excellent shape. It is a one owner trailer. They are a Merhow customer. They actually have had 3. So they traded this in for a new Merhow trailer. So only reason it's here is they were ready to upgrade. So it has 3 drop-down windows with bars, escape door with flip-up step, aluminum wheels. It's got the extruded sides underneath those last 2 windows. It has 2 manger doors for storage, and I've gotten my pictures. It's not going to be on this video, but it's got a set of hooks in that first manger box for storage and hanging your cords and whatnot. Couple of things, it's got a little scratch here on the back door. It's just a scratch, it's not a dent. Brush box has a collapsible rear tack. It has 2 sets of bridle hooks, one here on the inside door of the inside of the door, and then one to the left of the saddle rack. It does have an added rear ramp, so it does have a rear ramp. Horse box is in excellent shape. It is fully lined and insulated. It does have roof vents. It does have an extra set of hooks in the first stall. The empty weight of this trailer is 9,440, so 9,440, so not a real heavy trailer. The only thing that I'm going to point out in the horse box is in this stall, there is one spot where the mat is worn. So one spot where the mat is worn. Other than that, is the only issue whatsoever in the horse box of this trailer. It has sliders in the first 2, and then it has a drop on the last stall. So lower divider, airflow, padded dividers, all the padding's in good shape, no issues. These are also going to be the 24-inch mangers. So those mangers are bigger. Now today, the mangers are 18. To get 24s, that is an upgrade. So it is the bigger manger boxes. So you can see that drop-down window on this side. It does have a power awning. Step at the dressing room door or living quarters door. Like I said, this is one of my most favorite layouts. It does have a freshwater tank. Those are typically 40-gallon. Has a 110 outlet here on the outside. So stepping into the LQ, it is the cinnamon wood interior. So this is all real wood interior. This does have the convection microwave. It has a solid surface counters, 2 stainless sinks. It does have the flip-up counter. Soft touch walls. It does have the decor in the valances. The couch does make a bed. 2 drawers for storage underneath that couch, and that couch folds out. You'll see it in the pictures and gives you plenty of room to walk through this living quarters and not step on anybody. 2 steps, 3 steps, 2 steps, excuse me, up to the bed. You've got cabinets all the way around the nose of the bed area. The corner cabinet is deep, and you can put a TV in that corner cabinet. However, this TV behind me, you can see from the bed. I've lived this layout. I think I've said that probably every time I video this trailer, but I've lived this layout multiple times. I demoed it. Actually stayed in it a month, and I can tell you that I loved it. I actually made that couch like a day bed and put pillows, throw pillows. Just a little sidebar. Ducted AC, propane furnace. Again, that a little fun fact about that TV, you can swivel it all the way around, actually all the way around to the bathroom side, so you can see it from the bathroom if you have the bathroom door open. So it does have a USB port here, 110 outlet there, 110 outlet there. It does have storage above the couch, and it does have a radio with DVD player. Double stainless sinks. I think I've already said that. I'm going to stand kind of over to this way. You'll see it does have the big fridge. It does have a pantry on the right side. It does have a cabinet above, and it does have a big drawer below. Again, a lot of storage in this trailer. I know for a fact that you can put a coffee pot there because it actually goes tall. So you can put things that are a little taller in that cabinet right there. It's a nice thing when you actually live certain layouts. You can kind of tell people some things. One reason why the customer bought this trailer was that exact reason, is I could tell her a lot of things about organization in this trailer. So one of the best layouts with no slide. It's a great layout. So pocket bathroom door, sink and vanity. It's got a fantastic fan. It's got the corner rounded shower skylight, and it does have a walk-in closet, which is super nice for storage. Super nice for hanging clothes. Got two hanging bars, shelf. Let me kind of go here, turn around, kind of give you the floor space. The bathroom is big. That's one thing about this layout that everybody complimented, was the bathroom. So the bathroom is a good size. Again, soft touch walls, all crown molding all the way around. It's just a super nice trailer. This one's been well kept. It's in excellent shape. I can't really fault it for much. So again, this is an 8311 RWS. That's a riser wall sofa is what that means. It is the all real wood interior. Next generation is what it was called back then. All right, stepping back out, I'll give you another view of the outside. If you have any questions about this trailer, the specifics, detailed pictures, and price, go to carolinatrailersales.com. We have all that information with the ad for this trailer. So 8311 RWS, one of my most favorite layouts. I say that a lot because I like a lot of them, but this one is obviously dear to my heart because I have lived it. So any questions on this trailer, I can certainly answer. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Again, my name is Ashley. You guys have a great day.